Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Today we're going to be making some peanut butter, chocolate peanut butter cookies, you know, like the little oatmeal ones. Only thing you need, quick oats, 16 ounces of creamy peanut butter. Now, I'm not making mine chocolate, I want mine peanut butter, so I got the rich and creamy vanilla icing. So between that, spatula, bowl, microwave. I'll show you how we're going to do it. Okay, so what we got to do here, we got to heat up components. We got the icing. Make sure you get all the foil off. Gonna put that in there. Gonna put it in there for about a minute or so. Okay, it's been a minute, so we're going to take, it's pretty liquefied. We're going to pour it into the bowl. I think I may need a bigger bowl for the final mix. Okay, peanut butter, same thing, 1 minute. Okay, let's see how well this turned out. Pretty liquefied. Now I had to change bowls because the other one wasn't big enough. So, undo. Pour it in there. Let me bring you over here. The kitchen's a little small. Okay. So we need to make sure we get it all in there. I made chocolate fudge this way. I was sitting there thinking, I'm going to make a mess anyways. If I can make fudge, why can't I make these cookies? Same thing. So we're going to sit here and mix this thing up. See, the thing is with making this, the number one thing is like, you figure all the components that you're making this stuff on the stove. It's the same thing, except you make less mess. So, we gotta go back to the microwave. We're gonna put it in there for about, I think it's 2 minutes. Now my microwave is a 1500 watt, so it may vary with yours. Okay, been 2 minutes. Smells like it, oh yeah. It got definitely hot. So, it's about the right consistency of what you'd cook on the stove. So now, we're taking our oats and we'll just fold them in. Now I've seen you can get a lot of these ingredients from Dollar Tree. Price of food and everything's just so high. I looked, I must have been only 10 cookies. in the thing. Just 10 cookies in this little plastic thing. And it was, funny as it may seem, $5. I'm not paying that. Yeah, I got the cheapest everything. I probably got about $4 and stuff. And plus, I've already had the oatmeal. Okay, this is going to start to thicken up. So, let me get a spoon. And we'll spoon it onto the wax paper. Fine. Big spoon. Okay. I mean, you want to make fudge out of this, you can. It's an awesome way to treat your guest. Cheap. The only mess you make is in one bowl. With the exception, I already made one mess in one bowl. Just remember, you can't use any fancy icing. Trust me, I tried, it doesn't work. You get a paper. And we'll just put it on the counter here. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. Yeah, it's hot, but and my cookies are big. The ones they had, they were about like that big around. I was like, no. Like I say, there's one person at my job. She makes the best fudge. And I made some for Christmas once, and I asked her, going, I want to ask your opinion. She goes, all right, I've had your fudge. Love it. I saw a recipe on YouTube on how to make fudge. Now, some people thought this was your fudge and I was just handing it out. I want your honest opinion on it. She told me it tasted just like hers. When I told her how I made it, she was in shock. Have it, folks. It probably would, if you made them smaller, you'd probably make about 48 of those size cookies that they had about maybe 10 of for $5. Now I put half of them in the refrigerator, I put the other one half in the freezer. As you see, they're hard, but they're chewy. They're good. Just like I remember. Best to keep these in the refrigerator. That way, because I keep my trailer kind of warm, and they would just kind of melt together. We don't want that. So you too, make this peanut butter, icing, minute oats, in the microwave. Hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, share it with friends. See you next time here at Lynn's Homestead. You have a great day. God bless.